How to close all tabs on Safari.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple channel.
In this video, I will show you step by step on how to close all tabs on Safari. So make sure to watch this video until the end. To get started, open the Safari app. In the right bottom corner of the screen, locate the double tap icon button. Perform a long press on this button, and as a result, a menu list will appear. Within this menu, you are presented with several options. Firstly, you can choose to close all currently open tabs, streamlining your browsing experience by removing multiple tabs simultaneously. Alternatively, if you prefer a more selectively approach, you have an option to close only a particular tab. By following these steps, you will have successfully closed all tabs on Safari. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.